Hello friends, this is Prateek. I welcome you all to 9sem.com. In this session, we will be looking into industrial motor inspection practices. A motor is a major and basic equipment in any industry, the failure of which may cause production losses, and the cost to repair or replace that equipment is going to be expensive. So, a regular inspection may help to avoid major breakdown. So, regular inspection should be done and checklist of that should be maintained for future reference. Following parameters should be kept under observation. The first parameter is sound. Motor sound says a lot about motor bearing and motor condition. Any abnormal sound should be noticed and corrective action should be taken. The second parameter is smell. Any kind of burning smell near motor or from motor may be due to cable or motor winding damage. So, it should be inspected regularly. If observed any abnormal smell, that should be verified as soon as possible to prevent from major damage. Body condition. Motor body should be in clean condition and corrosion free, as it may damage motor body, which will lead to major breakdown of motor. There should not be any kind of water seepage near motor. The next parameter is bearing temperature. Motor bearing temperature need to be monitored regularly for both drive end and non-drive end of motor, which helps to know motor greasing condition. High temperature shows motor damage or bearing damage. The next parameter is body earthing. Motor body earthing prevents motor from leakage current, so motor body should be double earthed and earthing cable condition should be monitored as shown in the figure. The next parameter is vibration. Abnormal vibration shows motor wear and tear or loose base bolt or mounting bolt condition. Vibration should be checked horizontally, vertically and axially. All three directions of measurement shown in the picture. The next parameter is motor load rate or current. Motor load rate or current should be monitored regularly, because any kind of defect or abnormality affects motor current, from which we can suspect the abnormality. The next parameter is for DC motor, carbon brush. In case of DC motor, carbon brush condition should be monitored. So friends, that's all for this video. In the next topic, we will discuss about motor maintenance and other maintenance activities of industry. So thank you for listening 9sem. Stay safe and keep learning.